Welcome back to my channel, guys. Oh my god, shit. Today I'm going to do a review video of the Chanel rings. The fake Chanel rings vs original Chanel ring. The Coco Crush rings. I have to say those rings are quite popular. I mean, it's on their campaigns like everywhere, in the street, in the magazine, on their website. Everywhere, even in the department stores like Harrods or Selfridges, you can see them like everywhere, their campaigns. And when I first saw them, I quite loved them. I think the design is so cute. It's like unisex design. Men can wear it, women can wear it, everyone can wear it. But I have seen some really bad replicas on Aliexpress, Dhgate or Instagram. So I have decided to purchase a really cheap replica on Aliexpress. It cost me like $5 each. Yeah, it costs like $5 each. I got two. One is the rose gold color, one is the silver color. But I also have the original one in my hand, so I want to compare like how bad those fakes are. You might not want to buy it after you see this video. Although they are quite cheap, I mean $5, but they are really fake, so fake I cannot even. If you don't see the original one, you might think these are really good. They also have logo inside. You see the logo, Chanel logo. But the proportions, the cutting is really different, so I have to show you guys. This is the original one that I got in China in 2018. This is a box. They have like a white box for the ring. And here's the Chanel, and this is the ring I got. I got the silver color, which is really cool. It's gold, white gold, 18K white gold. Let me put this one inside as well so you can see the difference immediately. You see? This is the original one, this is the fake one. You see the size is different. This is the fake one's thinner, and also the cutting. I have to find a way to show you guys. I'm gonna wear like this. This one is the original one, this one is the fake one. You can see the fake one is thinner. If you see the cutting here, you can see a big mistake the fake one did. Like the shape and also the line here. Let me put on the other fake one so you can compare them together. You see the difference, the cutting. The original one, the cutting looks really expensive, but the fake one, the cutting looks like really cheap, like cheaply made. And also the color. The original one is the gold color, the fake one is more like steel color, steel silver. And the rose gold color also is not right. It looks bad. If you see from this angle, you see, and so you can see the original one and the fake one. They are the same size actually, but looks different. The sizing looks different. And also check the inside. The original one is not flat inside, but the fake one is really flat like a mirror. Looks really cheaply made. I don't know if you guys can see this, but check the logo here. The original one, the logo is really nice, it's really delicate. But the fake one, it's like something is wrong with the logo. And also the number after the logo is really, but the fake one is more like, oh, I did it, so it's there, you have it. And the AU750 number here. You see the fake one also has it, but it looks bad. Some things fake one don't have are those three markers like here. They're really tiny. Really tiny. but really well made. I just think those rings are so fake. Totally don't recommend you guys buy such fake rings unless it's just for pictures. But if you want to wear it like to some important like events, you might embarrass yourself because it looks really fake. I remember like last summer I went to the Chanel store with this ring with my friend. My friend bought a Chanel bag and I was wearing this fake ring. And the sales told me, "I love your rings, it looks so beautiful. Do you want to get another color?" And I was thinking like, what? You don't know this is fake? I mean, come on. I may look so bad, and I was kind of embarrassed because I didn't know if she recognized or not, or if she was just trying to sell me another ring and fake her attitude. So my friend bought her bag and we left the store. I still don't know if she recognized or not. So tell me, would you get the fake one? I will not share the links of this fake one because it's so bad. And if you want to buy it, you might just search Coco Crush ring on Aliexpress. You might find a lot, but I personally don't recommend you guys buy it because it's really bad and it's really poor quality. So thank you guys for watching today's video, and please be safe, please stay at home until the virus thing is gone. I mean, not gone, but please protect yourself and wear a mask when you go out. Some of my friends in London told me wearing a mask can help, but if it can help, how our Chinese people survive? We have to wear a mask even to take a bus or even to go to supermarket to buy some food. If we don't have mask, we're not allowed to go inside actually. So please wear a mask. If you can't find mask, try to stay at home. See you guys next time, and bye bye. Love you guys.